Hi everyone! Let's starting with the first news. Preparing for disasters. When disaster strikes, you might find yourself without water, gas, and electricity. You might even need to leave your home with little warning. But emergencies don't have to surprise you. Plan ahead for bad situations. First, planning for the worst. Hold a family meeting. Discuss the types of disaster that could happen. Then plan a way to gather your family together if they get separated. Second, preparing to survive. Create a family disaster bag. It should include everything your family needs to survive for at least 3 days. Place your bag so you can carry it. Third, don't forget your dog. Pets are important members of the family with their own special needs. Decide how you will care for your pet in an emergency. You may not be able to avoid disasters, but with a little planning you can be prepared. Second, chocolate may protect the brain from stroke. Research suggests chocolate may protect against stroke. A study following more than 37,000 Swedish men showed those eating the most chocolate were the least likely to have a stroke. Researchers say the beneficial effect of chocolate consumption on stroke may be related to the flavonoids in chocolate. Third, how to say no. A friend or family member asks you to do a favor for them. If you say no, do you feel guilty or selfish? Many people do, so they say yes. That just increases their stress level and often leads to bad feelings. So learn to say no nicely. Maybe someone asks you to help with some event for your school. You do not have time, but before turning them down, saying something about the event's importance. Say, that is a great cause, or you have an important goal. That way, the person sees you value the project even if you can't help. When you say no, make kind remarks. Say, thank you for asking, but I can't this time, or I regret having to say no. You can give the person other ideas. For examples, your friend asks you to take care of her dog for a few days. You can't, but you know other person who loves dogs. Suggest them instead. Then your friend can get help she needs. Just learn to say no nicely. You will be glad you did.